Okay, so now we're going to create a pie chart based on this crosstab or contingency table. This contingency table has the two categorical variables, gender and race. So as you can see, gender, we have female and male, F and M. There were 100 females and 108 males. Race, we have A for Asian Pacific Islander, B for Black, H for Hispanic, W for White. And there were 1, 49, 46, and 112 of each of those categories respectively. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create the pie chart in the next cell. So I've added a code cell, and that's the cell I'm going to start typing in. So since pandas has already been imported in the first cell, in this cell I'm going to be using pyplot. So I'm going to import pyplot. So from matplotlib, which is where pyplot lives, from matplotlib I'm going to import pyplot, and I'm going to import it and give it an alias plt. So I'm importing pyplot as plt, and then once I've done that, I'm going to give the labels now for the pie wedges: Asian, Black, Hispanic, White. Those are going to be my labels. So I'll do a var lab for variable labels, I guess. And the variable labels are going to be in a bracketed list here. They each have to be in quotes. I'll put single quotes. So the first one will be Asian, and then we'll have Black, and then we'll have Hispanic, and then we'll have White. Okay, so those are the 4 categories. Now I'm going to put the frequency for the categories in the correct order. So Asians go first, Black, Hispanic, White. So these are the frequencies. FREQ is what I'm going to call them. FREQ equals, and this is going to be another square bracket around the list. And there was 1 Asian, 49 Black people, 46 Hispanic people, and 112 white people. So we have those frequencies, 1, 49, 46, 112, all from the margins here. And now we are going to just size this thing. So I'm going to do fig equals plt dot figure. So plt dot figure, and then I'm going to do fig size, FIG SIZE, and I want the fig size to equal, and then in the parentheses I'm going to put 10 by 7. So that's just going to size the figure, and then I'm going to do PLT, calling pyplot again, dot pi. So pi is the method of pyplot that creates the pie chart, and all you have to give it are the frequencies, which are FREQ, and the labels, but the labels you actually have to use the keyword labels. So labels equal var lab. That's where my labels are coming from, that variable var lab. And then you can run that, and you can see you get this pie graph with Hispanic, White, Asian is this sliver, Black. And if you want to, you can play around with the sizing here. But this is the pie chart.